Hi there, my name is Ricardo. How many times have you lost your mask because you've strapped it around your forehead like this or like this, and then inadvertently, either with your long hose or by just taking off your hood, it sort of pops out and falls off to the bottom of the ocean. Also, I don't like to place it around my neck because I just feel that I should have access to my backup regulator, well, at all times. So one other alternative that you can use, and hopefully not lose your mask, is to use your multi-purpose bolt snap. Just simply tie it to your mask, tie it back to the right D-ring, and hopefully you won't lose it. Happy diving.